Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be checking out the newest episode of That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime, episode 9 of season 4. Overall, just always so excited to get into these episodes. This season in general, despite being somewhat slower paced in some aspects, I've really enjoyed. And now that we're almost switching into a new arc with our explorers and everything, I'm really excited. Especially the group that we have is really fun, so I'm excited to see our group of explorers get to spend some time together this episode and also just find out where the story is going to go with this whole exploration arc. But yeah, other than that, I don't want to waste too much more time. Get right into this episode. If you are new to my channel, this is more of a watch along than a straight up reaction. So if you'd like the audio and or full video, you can sync up with your own copy of the episode. If not, you can see it blurred behind me and read the subtitles below me to follow along. I'll just give us a countdown. We can get right into this episode. Three, two, one, start. Oh, and then we also, oh, thing. I'm excited to learn more about them as well because they've very much been a character in the background. Can't really see her, but she's adorable. Oh, it's just on the other side. Oh, interesting. This is pretty awesome looking. Oh, I love Milim and Rimu's relationship so much like siblings. Whoa, that is quite the magic seal on there. That looks awesome. What are we gonna find in here? I don't remember if they said we were looking for anything in particular or anything. I don't think so. Whoa, what are those white like spikes after a different city? Oh, Sorcerer Nation of Soma. Is that where she's for, or she slash I think him? Oh, this is the beef they have. This is after the whole story with her resurrecting the dragon or whatever, I'm pretty sure. Or after it died. Oh. Thing. The old me was interesting. Capital Puppet Nation of this place does look incredible. Also that cut to the past and seeing the like full glory of that nation was really cool. Already super invested in everything they're showing us here. I forgot to mention in the intro, but we did know that there was some beef between Milim and her. Um and we got everything with that dragon egg that they're planning as well. I'm really interested to see where this where and how this plays out. But this scene makes so much sense now why that's included in there. But yeah, there's also a scene I kind of wanted to watch, but I feel like I shouldn't be watching for spoilers at that spot. God. Oh, so clean. Okay, so you can't really tell, but in that one spot, I'm pretty sure that is what Gopta does. That or, um, Tempest Wolf. Why can't I think of, name? Ranga. That's what it is. I feel like they're about to fuse or some shit. This is actually really cool, the fact that it's like, oh, the top level is residential? Product of magic. Oh, interesting. I wonder if she's gonna be a little pissed about that. I'm very interested to know if Milm has any memories of this or anything being here remodeled after the one she destroyed. Oh, no one except for him has ever went past here. Oh, we have multiple people who could get through this door. Oh yeah, Shion definitely can. That's literally her fucking her broken ass ability would definitely make that work. Oh, interesting. So we the two of them are so defensive now. uh, I honestly figured Rimuru was just gonna walk up and deal with it. That's actually a good question. I honestly don't remember because I will remember we had him absolutely bodied. Oh, remember it's a bit late to figure out this power. I mean, it'll work, but three spells on it, and one for the defense, I imagine. Oh, a trap. Taking notes. Bro's got the cheat code. This is actually hilarious. Though this is exactly like a video game puzzle. Like I could see that in a video game as a mechanic to open locked doors. Fucking Gopta. Why wouldn't you steal the glory? I like that she seems to be the one with the most lines. It makes sense she did have the best design, as I pointed out last episode. I really like the effects on the doors as they open and close. Oh, a little bit of a break. Shion with a giant ass fucking Rimuru body pillow. That is true. That was kind of the goal. I forgot about that. Actually, nice to have Milm around, be able to catch on people trying to be sneaky. Secret lines of communication. Standing guard. He just fucking passed out standing up. Yeah. What do we find on this level? This is the middle level, so this is where Clayman would go to pretty often. Whoa. That's actually kind of awesome. Oh, that's interesting. Does she recognize it? It's funny that we literally have someone from the nation behind us. Yeah, I was gonna say something's got a reminder. That dragon especially. Yeah. I did remember the story right. I might have poorly described it, but that's exactly what I thought happened pretty much. Rose just got the food prepared. Oh, Elder of the Dark Elves. Also, was that egg on, like, boiled egg on that sandwich? Checked it. Oh, so not even about accidentally burning anything down, just about the in closed space, so all of it will just collect inside of it. I love to learn from your example. How fascinating. And so far, they don't seem like they just seem like actual like explorers. And I forget what term they had for them. Oh, third day. It took him 2 days to get to the through the maze. I actually, that's what I was thinking as well. Oh, oh, is this the past? Oh no, this is current day. Time to be picky about the method. This, hey, just a crystal. But definitely crystally. Sealed away long ago. I like that it's a beating heart sound effect. And Rimuru tell. Is this gonna be the dragon? Now Rampage is your greed to... Oh, interesting. Can she control it? Oh, that is kind of horrific looking. I was also just fucking chilling with his legs drooped down. That is a big ass fucking dragon though. And it's like almost zombified in a way, it looks like. Because it's in the ruins already. Is it her dragon? Oh, it's definitely personal beef. So, is it like a sealed slash partially resurrected version of her dragon? Oh, and it's gonna be mind controlled, so it won't even recognize her at all. Oh, the Chaos Dragon. Sealed. Yeah, you guys got this. I love that Ranga just hangs out with Gopta now. Blow out the Blicky as well. I'm not too worried about these. I'm much more worried about the dragon on the surface. And whatever this is gonna be. Good shit, Rimuru. I feel like this might have been a bad idea. I feel like we're gonna have enemies both sides. Oh, maybe not. Was a grave of some sort, from what we remember. That lightning sound effect was cool. Oh, maybe. This is funny. Just keeps coming. Oh, is Rimuru about to go on the offensive? But yeah, the larger Tempest gets, honestly, the more enemies we have, literally until we fucking deal with everyone. Oh! He's here! What I've been waiting for. Yeah, we're gonna end the fucking episode. Is she gonna try and control his mind right here? That is not gonna work, I don't think. She is not interested. Protecting a few. And it's honestly the opposite for us. Having a few suffer for everyone else, essentially. Facts. Well, that is true. Rimuru kind of builds up everyone around him. Because I mean, I talk about now, it's not just Rimuru, all of the people around him are like OP and. Oh. Okay, so did she. I was thinking about that earlier in this episode. Maybe she doesn't have any knowledge about it. All out combat mode. It changed and everything. Diversity of mankind. Oh, what that episode. Oh, I cannot wait. Um, that episode was incredible. The setup and everything, I feel like all of the pieces are in place now. I was wondering how we were gonna get from exploring the dungeon to like the dragon and everything, and meeting up with Maribel and that whole conflict. Um, but the dragon is to like pull Milim away, and us to focus on, or them to focus on Rimuru. Very smart. Um, I really enjoyed this episode. All of the exploring stuff, the little bits of lore that we got. Um, I'm really enjoying. I forget how you say their name. Um, they're not a demon lord. I don't think. I forget what. Um, but like our elf like guiding person that works with Yuki. I've really enjoyed all of her characters so far, and very different than what I expected. Um, I'm interested to see how that ties together with Yuki being under the control, which, if you know my theory, I've been saying that essentially I don't think Yuki's really under control. I think he's just letting it happen. Um Similar to what happened with Milim in like season 2. Master of Greed. Yeah, I am very excited for next episode because I've been waiting for them to almost have that conflict against each other. Um, yeah, 'cause I think the way not Milam, why can't I think of her name now? Maribel. I think they've built her up as a really great antagonist so far. Um, and just like I loved all of the little information. The scene where we got um what was the nation called? Okay, right here. The Great Sorceress Nation of Soma. Soma. I don't think we've ever heard of Soma before, but I really like the city architecture and architecture and everything like that. And then the cut to it like being back underground is really cool. And this is in wherever the yeah, right. Yeah, this spot, I think this is where the dragon was just summoned from in modern day. That's why I thought it was a flashback at the start. But I think this area is where they like escaped to and then built the new nation underground. But like all of the pieces I feel like are really together now and like we're in the face off against them. So I think as I thought kind of this arc we're gonna start to ramp up the story. Definitely feels like that going into next week because we're essentially in the middle of a fight. Um have I forget how many episodes are left in this. I assume it's just 12-episode core, or something like that. So it makes sense that we're near the end of this conflict. I kind of hope this isn't the end of Maribel, though. I would like to see her a little bit longer because I've really enjoyed everything with her so far. Um, and if it is the end of her, I hope this whole final conflict and everything is really awesome. Um, do we recognize the people that are with Yuki? That are mind controlled. There's this chick. I feel like I've seen the chick's design and this guy's design before. Um, The guy I feel like is less familiar, but the chick I feel like is super, super familiar looking. Um, yeah. Other than that, check to see if there's any other information I want to go over before the end of this episode. The Chaos Dragon looks incredible. I love the design that they went for, and the whole summoning sequence was really cool. Um, I like this shot is kind of goofy with him just like having his limbs down like that, but I love the design, like almost the crystally effect on it. Um, and then it's got like all like the like rips and like scars through it that are like pulsing with the energy. Almost reminds me of like a zombie dragon or something like that. Very cool. All of the magic stuff in this episode with like the little puzzle doors and stuff reminded me of a video game, but also just looked really cool. This show always is such a treat with the way they do like magic circles and glyphs and things like that. It's always really cool. And I like everything with Milim in this episode that we're building up to, and her destroying this place and everything. And her reaction when she teleported to go deal with the Chaos Dragon, it was could see like she's always so happy go lucky. You could see just the tonal shift in the way they animated her face, but also her voice acting in that sequence was really good. It looks like none of our explorers are gonna betray us, which kinda makes me happy because the chick with the scarf and the glasses and everything is adorable, um, and I really enjoyed her. Uh, eh, but I think that's basically all I have to say about this episode. Really great. Um, I think this season in general has just been one of my maybe more I don't know if I would say it's one of my more favorite. We'll have to wait and see how it wraps up, but I feel like every single episode has been super engaging this season. And for very different reasons. Like some are just like really funny, cute episodes. Some are a lot more in like the lore aspect of it or the world building. So I've really enjoyed all of that. And the little bits of action that we have got throughout this season are always such a treat. And like the fact that we introduced like guns in this season as well. Fuck, now we have opters running around with a blicky is hilarious. Um, yeah. So I cannot wait to see how the fights and everything start to play out next episode. I assume we'll probably focus on some of the more underlings and things like that, and then build up to Milim versus the Chaos Dragon and Rimuru versus Mariabelle. But I assume those will also mix and mash a little bit, especially with Yuki in the picture. It might not just be a bunch of one-on-one fights. It might end up being a bit of a group fight. But yeah, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this watch along. Other than that, I will catch you guys next week or throughout the week. The next couple days, I have a lot of shows that I'm watching. So I will see you guys all later, and peace.